because for our foundation to be able to perform optimally, it means that that foundation is balanced. Okay, because once there are variations, okay, it will distort the structural stability of that structure, which automatically emanates from the foundation. And most times you see that differential settlement, okay, is also one of the what hampers equilibrium to be maintained in our foundation. Okay, so that is why it's important. We must consider so many factors, when in the course of designing of our foundation. All right, because all of these have a direct impact on our foundation in terms of the ground water level. Okay, ground water table. Okay, groundwater table also have direct implication on the on maintaining equilibrium, because you see that when we talk about types of soil, you see that these types of soil are also influenced by our water table. Now, when the foundation is loaded, depending on the kind of soil, you see that, for example, if it's a clay soil, you see that groundwater have influence on the clay soil, because the clay will definitely absorb the water and swells. And when it swells, you see that we have our base, okay, in this format. All right, in this format. When it is loaded, you see that this will result, okay. Ordinarily, this is the base, okay, of the soil. This is the interface. Now, when this is loaded, you see that it will cause, due to the groundwater, the clay, for example, if it's a clay soil, this is the reaction that will take place, because the clay soil will absorb this water, and once it absorbs this water, due to the minerals, present in that clay soil, it will result to the swelling of that clay soil. And when that clay soil swells, you see that as long as this gravity load comes, the swelling nature of that clay soil will not be able to sustain the load. So it will now cause a rise by the side. The effect of the load will be felt by the sides. Okay, so and when this happens, you see that it will hamper stability, substructurally. So it's important we pay attention to all of these aspects. So we talked about types of soil. Types of soil also plays a very vital role in ensuring that equilibrium is maintained in our foundation.